Hello and welcome to my channel Trading Skills. So today I'm going to show you how can we predict the next candlestick by using the candlestick psychology. So here let me analyze the market. Okay, so now from this point you can see the market is making strong candles, so the momentum is very strong. And if you analyze here one thing, market is making strong and stronger candles, so therefore the next candle will go down and will close as a bearish. So here you can see that market is going down and I will win this trade here. So this is my first trade. After this okay, now the market is weak and I can expect a buyer's entry from this point, so I took my trade in an up direction. So always remember one thing, market only will reverse when you see a strong and then a weak candle, so it is a sign of market reversal, momentum reversal. So therefore I took my trade in a up direction. So let's see what happens with the market. So we will win this trade, I'm sure about my trade, and let's see what happens with the market. Okay, I took my trade because of this rejection, because of the weakness of sellers, so therefore I took my trade, and now you can see the market is giving me an ATM. Okay, so a doji candlestick. Okay, so now let me analyze another market here. Okay, so in this area, in this section, you can easily see that I can go with the buyers from this point confidently. So market will only reverse if I get a pattern, M pattern. So here I am not seeing the expectation for the M pattern is not here. So now therefore I took my trade with a margin of safety and I will win this trade for sure. So this is my third trade, and now I can expect a winning trade. Okay, now you can see I won my trade here. So now if I analyze the market USD CAD, so let's see what's going on in the market. Okay, so now you can see here from this point to this point and from this point to this point, this area is an area. So now I can take trade with a margin of safety, so I took my trade in an up direction from this point. So now let's see what happens here. Okay, so for me the market will close above my entry point, so let's see what happens. Okay, so I took because that area was a reversal area. So let's see what's going on. Okay, so I lost my trade because of wrong analysis. So now again I can go with the sellers, and now I will recover my loss because you can see weak, strong, much stronger, and the confidence of sellers are here. So therefore the next candle will also go down. It will reverse the market as I showed in my first trade only when market gives you a weak seller's entry. Here the sellers are strong, trend is a downtrend, so everything is in your area. So therefore I took my trade with confidence. So let's see what happens. Okay, so now you can see market is going down. As I showed in my first trade, momentum will end only if you see a weakness in the momentum. So A was weak, B was stronger, C was much stronger, and now you can see market will give you at least a weak candle to go against the trend. Now you can see this momentum is showing me strong, much stronger, and the strongest one. So now you can see, therefore I went with this candle, and this candle went down because now, as I told you, after the weakness of the sellers you can expect a buyer's entry, and now you can see, you can easily see a buyer's entry from this point. Now you can see, let me show you in live market. Okay, now you can see, as I told you, market is doing the same thing. Okay, so now you can see a doji candle. Okay, so let me predict another candle for you. Let me predict. Okay, so from this point I can not go with the, okay, so from this point I can go with the buyers. Why I went with the buyers? Because you can see it is a downtrend, and now you can see it is a W pattern, so therefore I took my trade in a up direction. So therefore in this ranging market I took my trade, and I will win this trade because of our perfect analysis about W pattern. Now you can see the trend is a downtrend, and now you can see here market went down, went up, went down, now going up. So therefore I took my trade, and I also won this trade. So if you analyze the market like this, you will always win your trades. Now you can see here, as I told you, so from this point to this point momentum was strong, but when momentum became weak I took my trade in up direction, and you can see next candle went up, or I got a doji candlestick, so therefore I won my trade. So now let me show you here, I won my trade because of this W pattern in a downtrend, so therefore I won my trade. You can see this is the level, so therefore in this area I am seeing a W pattern structure, so therefore I went with an up trade. Okay, so let me show you here. Okay, I won my trade here. Why? Because this is an uptrend, and still I am seeing, after sellers I am seeing still a buyer's entry, and if I see the level here, still I am seeing a gap. So because of that gap, you can see, let me show you here clearly. Now you can see exactly from that level market again went down, so therefore I took my trade with a margin of safety, and there was a big gap, so because of that gap I won my trade confidently. So if you like my video, kindly share, subscribe and comment, and you can ask any question. I'm always available for you all. So always take your trades with a proper candlestick psychology. Take your trades by seeing the trend. Take your trades by seeing the trend. And now if you analyze the market is coming down, making new lows, so we can expect here a downtrend also like this. So stay blessed you all, have a blessed day ahead, and take care. Bye for now. I will share more videos as per your requirement, so if you have any queries you can ask me anytime. So stay blessed you all. Bye for now.